how's it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Sonic versus Detective Pikachu. It's the movie Sonic, and I thought since those movies are kind of going head to head in terms of like how much money they were making, it'd be kind of cool to draw them head to head, kind of in a standoff position. It's gonna be really easy, pretty much it, very straightforward. Let's hop right into the video. Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to do this. Let's draw Sonic on this side, Pikachu on this side, all right? Detective Pikachu. All right, let's go over here. We're gonna draw a straight line here for Sonic's eye. Go over here and curve around this side for the back part of his eye. Pull underneath. And we're gonna go up here, line down, line basically the edge over here for the nose. And then we're gonna go right here in the edge of the nose. Right? There's a little bulb for the edge of the nose. Draw a line there and fill in most of the nose in dark. Go over here for the back side of his mouth. We're gonna go over here, curve up. Line over here for his eye. Maybe like a highlight right there. And we're gonna draw the dark portion of the eye over here, the iris. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. 90% of people here are not subscribed that are watching, so make this the video you subscribe in and click the bell notification. I post 3 times a day, different drawing lessons on different topics, so absolutely hit that subscribe. I go over here, line up. Line back for kind of the back of his head here. But before we do that, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw right there that line for the far side ear. And it's going to pull back down. Let's go over here to this. We're going to draw that over here on this side. Line over here. Line over here on this side. So all of these, it's the movie version, right? So all of these are gonna have the that kind of jaggedy edge on the line there. You know, like a jaggedy line over here. Line down. Pull back. Down over here. And pull back up over here to the head area. Line over here. Sonic's real serious. Wants to battle the Pikachu. Line over here. Again, jaggedy line here for the stomach. Line here for the arm. Line here for this arm. And we're gonna have a couple of spikes here in the back. All right. Maybe a line here for the color change right there in the stomach, but not that. That's it. We're just gonna have a vignette. Okay. So that's Sonic on Sonic's side, right? Let's go over to Detective Pikachu. He's smaller-ish, so he's gonna over here, down over here for the lower portion of Pikachu's mouth. Pulling back right here for the snout. Curving up here for the eye area, pull back. And we're gonna go over here and curve for his eye. Down over here. He's got more of just like a button eye there. Line, and then I'm gonna fill this in. Okay. Maybe a little bit dark for the end of his nose there. Don't forget to hit the like button. The like button is what fuels the entire channel. The entire channel runs on likes, so hit the like on this one and any other video go through that you saw or like the idea of, and hit that like button. It's real quick, takes 2 seconds. Line over here down, and we have his hand sticking down here, and it's gonna pull back up. Everything has this jaggedy line, right? Because let's see the body over here. Everything has a jagged line because these are furry, furry characters. Down over here, back. Curve over here for the hat. Line up. Let's go over here as it goes back here. Up. Down. All right. And let's go to his hat, his ear sticking out of his hat. Out over here. Down, 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 down. Like so. Line over here. And down over here for the back of Pikachu's hat. The detective hat. And then like a ball right here. Let's go over here to the back of Pikachu. And again, going down, but again, making that jaggedy line as it goes down. Up over here for the lightning tail. And the tail is just gonna have this, again, that same tail from Pokemon. But since it's the movie version, we're gonna draw these lines right here for the pattern on the hair on his back there. And let's go over here finally, very thinly, and draw a circle there for Pikachu's rosy cheek. We're gonna jump into color in a second here, but that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna do a speed thing for color. You can watch that. So it's gonna be, it's a movie version of Sonic versus the, again, movie version of Pikachu. Thank you so much. I will talk to you next time. Stick around for the color session right now, and let's jump right into it.
For those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.
Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.